All right, we're back after taking a week off. It's CBC Elite Fire versus the Carolina Wolves. New team, not familiar with them. We're playing in quarters up in Asheville, North Carolina, Asheville Middle School. Saturday, May 20th, 2017. Let's go, Fire.
Gas station, yeah.
Go to work, Corey. Corey Newman. Defense, Black, defense. There it is. Let's go. Run with him all the way, John. Get up, get up. Good hands, good hands. Come on, come on. Stay with it, stay with it. Get back into play. Oh, Lord Jesus. And one. Let's go. Come on, come on.
Good hands, Corey.
Good hustle. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Start strong. At the line shooting two, Corey Newman. Get the next one. Let's go. Turn up defense. Turn up defense. Block that. Swing out, swing out.
Right there.
Oh, over the back. 32 over the back.
Yeah, so it's foul on 32.
Thank you. I don't know what she's doing. She need to get this right. I'm gonna be up her ass quick. But it's the right call. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Back out, back out. Swing, swing, swing. Cut it off, cut it off. Stop the dribble. Oh, almost, almost. That's a steal, that's a steal.
One got a limited range.
Go, Jalen. Come on, let's go. Jalen hitting with the bucket. That's good defense. Good defense. Come on, come on. Yeah, that is. Cut it off, cut it off. Oh, good hands. John, get with the bucket.
Good steal, baby. Good steal.
Come on, give me another. Pick a pocket, pick a pocket. Let's go. Come on. Come on, come on. Oh, oh, oh. Stay down, stay down. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, good hands. Oh, he's fighting for it. Let's go.
It was already out. He was holding the back like this, trying to get to the ball. He was holding the back. It was already out when he hit his leg. It was already out.
Get the next one. Well, we gonna limit him today. He gonna be limited today. Defense gonna limit him. Yeah. Swing it. There you go. Bucket. Bottom. Splash on Jalen Hinton. Come on, defense. Turn up, let's go. Come on. Live and die for the jump shot. Get up for it. We'll take it. Push it, Black. It's all right. Come on. He all right. He got to play through. Back out. Get out. Pull up. Oh, he watched his arm. No. He was already past 13. He ain't fouling.
One of y'all gonna have to take a charge today. At least one of y'all. If he gets on your shoulder, he's too strong. He's gonna power through every time.
But he's pushing off too. He's pushing.
It wasn't your son. My son should have took the charge on that dude. My son should have taken the charge. He gets his shoulder on, he's too strong. Look out, look out.
Come on. I ain't for the charge. Swing it out. And one. Get up. Good hustle, John. Pull it, baby. Drain it. Count it. Cameron McCravy for 3. Good box out. No.
Come on, go get the ball.
And one. Corey Newman with the putback. Come on, defense. Not today, Bob. Hold up. Come on, hands ready. Call the foul, lady. Smacking him. Lord, you don't know what to call. She called 3 seconds. She called 3 seconds. After all of that, that was her call. Lord help her. It wasn't. Watch his elbow. He clearing out. Watch that. Pay attention to the elbow. Oh, that was a good pickpocket. Good defense. That was good defense all day long. Good pickpocket. Take the rock if you want it. Take it. Smack him if you get in your way. Come on, Jalen Hinton for 3. Time out on the floor. We're up by 9. 18-9. 2:13 left to go. First period.
Hey, you gotta play D in there. If you in the game, you gotta play D because we need defense.
No open shots. No open shots.
Play rough with it. Don't let him have free range. Play rough with it.
There you go. Step in. Ain't no and one. Couldn't even get the shot up.
That was on the floor, right?
Always, there's always gonna be something different. They need to lock him up because he's their only scorer. Double him and let everybody else prove they can play. Double him. Yeah, but when they gonna call offensive foul? That's offensive when he's pushing in. Move the ball, move the ball. Smart passes.
Get to the hot man. Get it to the hot man. Ride him while you can. Ride him while you can. Nobody stays hot for long. They did. Everybody looking at the
Yeah. Swing it, swing it, swing it. Get up.
Need somebody to crash the ball on the weak side. Lord have mercy here. Lord have mercy here.
Hands. There we go. Good hands. Come on, come on. That's it, that's it. Keep your hands in it, keep your hands in it. Don't let him dribble in there. Yeah, don't let him dribble in there. If you get him turned, then somebody else come on the backside and seal it. Come on, defense. Hands. There you go, there you go. Oh, I don't know, but we'll turn.
Good steal though. Good steal.
Yeah, good steal. Stay in there, stay in there. Come on. Hands. No, sir, no, sir. All that. Both of them were draped over everybody, so how'd he call that one? How many steps?
Boy, you got blocked that girl.
Come on. Come to the ball. Come to the ball.
Good call. Good call. Play rough with him, Logan. Get on the track, Logan. There you go.
Stop the ball. Good block, good block, good block. Come on, Mike. Come on, Big Mike. Come on, Big Mike. Big Mike Peterson with the bucket.
Do it again.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Stop the ball. He got it. After one quarter, CBC Elite Fire 20, Carolina Wolves 14. Start of second quarter. Yeah, you gotta have neutral color, I guess. It's gotta be black. Yeah. Or white. They got white on, if you got on. Yeah. But this isn't new. This ain't new. Yeah, this ain't new. Good defense. Come on, stay with him, stay with him. Hands. Let about it too.
Yeah. Nobody said a word. Nah.
No.
All the teams look at him die.
You stupid. Get back.
That's a foul.
Work on it, Mike. Stop the ball. Let it go.
If he makes it from there, we should just go home.
Well, let him shoot that all day, because I'm not coming out there.
That's what I'm saying. If he make that, just go home.
Need a basket here. Let's go. Let's get a good shot off.
He didn't call it. That's same move.
Move the ball. You gotta move.
Nice move.
Come on, Jacob Williams. Going to the line. That's right. That's how you work. Let's go.
Take it to the basket. Them threes are falling in. There you go.
Come on, get this one. Let's go.
Take it to the hole, man. That's a good matchup.
There we go.
Stay on the tight, Logan.
Come on, defense.
Hey, good job, Logan. Good job.
Boom. Grab the ball.
Hey, get low, Logan. Get low. I'm trying to go. Get low, Logan. Get low.
Pull it. He's fouling. Lady, how about the foul? How about the bump? Chris. We ain't giving him nothing.
Hey, where the other guards were on the floor when a man was fighting 1-on-3? You can't snowbird up the court. You gotta be back in the net.
Go get the ball.
That's basketball. Some subs, man.
Time out on the floor. We've scored 1 point this quarter. They've scored too many. Well, we after what I said. We had 20 to start this quarter.
Yeah.
And we scored 1 point.
Yeah, but, you know, we had to give folk a rest.
You got to give them a rest, but the people who are in there got to do their part, too. They playing against the second team, too. They got to do their part.
It ain't happening.
And score when you got the opportunity. Because now he's bringing in his horse again.
Hey, what's kind of playing good defense is the offense is just lacking.
Yeah. See, they brought his horse back in, so we're going to have to bring somebody in, too, to counteract that. Come on, Black. Come on, get the ball. Move it. Move it.
Mike don't score this time. Mike don't score.
Come on, get loose. Come on, move the ball. Let's go. What the hell, lady? Where's the foul? Where's the foul, lady? Where's the foul, lady? He yoked him. He yoked him. Why is that not a foul? Why is that not a foul? He grabbed him. You out your mind. Please find another job, because you out your mind. He yoking him in the air. Somebody get hurt, then what? She must need glasses. There you go. Stay on him. Stay over him.
At least he's probably.
Come on, move the ball, move the ball, move the ball. Good passes. Pull it, Sid. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Run!
Nah, he fouled that one shot.
That's when they get their points.
That's it. And he the only one, though.
Boom.
Stay here. Black, take it out. Black, take the ball out. Go up, Mike.
Yeah, John must have did something wrong.
Line shooting. 2. Jalen Moore.
Earn some time out there. Earn some time out there.
Come on, let's go. Come on, Black. Good hands. Go, Jalen. Count it. Jalen Moore for 3. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Cut that off. Cut that off. Cut that off. Over the top. Give me my ball back.
You gotta box out, son. You can't play behind it. You gotta box out, son. You quick. You quick as lightning. Slide around. Quick as lightning.
Come on, give me a basket here. Give me a basket. I need a basket. I need a score. Now go over the back. Come on. 1 and 1. Come on, give me some points, John. Give me some points at the line. At the line shooting the 1 and 1. John Gibbs.
Same thing, guys. Hey, guards, when you're seeing y'all got to rebound. You're going to have to step around and get rebound. All y'all let me get in front of the stay around.
Good tip out. Jalen Hinton with the putback. Come on, defense. Show me what you got. Give me a steal. Take him. Take him. Good steal. Oh, yeah. Get You're gonna hurt somebody.
Good decoy. Hey, come on, come on.
Your hands. They ain't gonna call it. And he didn't touch it. Nobody touched it. Good defense. Go, go, go. Watch his hands. You better not touch mine. You better not touch mine. Don't you dare. Darn.
They got it. They got hands and cookies all that time. Way to get back on D though, guys. Way to get back on D.
Wasn't even his foul. Wasn't even a foul.
Clean, man. He inside, so that's why he was sitting so long.
Yeah.
Third down, I see him looking.
Oh, going, going. Keep pushing off. Get down the court. Come on, say it. Jalen Moore. Come on, Black.
Way to level him off.
Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Count it, count it, count it, count it. There we go. Tip that out. Come on.
Nice move.
Cut him off. Cut him off. No, no, and no. Shit. Cut them off. Come to the ball. Knock him down. Knock him down.
Like a Mack truck, you know, he put him in low drive.
Get him on his hip. At the line shooting two, Corey Newman. Nice.
Y'all gonna get down the box? We gonna watch. I guess we gonna watch.
Nobody's going to help. Okay.
See, that pisses me off.
Nice. Come on. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Give me a stop. Give me a stop. Give me a stop, defense. Get that out of here. Come on. All the way. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Give me another one. Give me another stop. Give me another stop right here. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, come on. At the half, we're up 7. That's smart, right? Hey,
Body them up.
Yeah.
Body them up. That's all you gotta do.
John Gibbs. Beautiful. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Turn around. Stop the ball. Stop the ball. Stop the ball. Hands, hands, hands.
He's gonna shoot. He's gonna shoot.
Not today. Foul.
Nobody ran with him and get the rebound.
Step in.
Hey, John, you got a video camera?
They couldn't get to it.
Nobody. I told you, you only stay hot for so long.
Yeah. Get the ball back, Black. Get the ball back, Black. Get the ball back, Black. Get it back. Get the ball back. Get that back. Get that ball back. Cut that off.
That's point there. That's you.
Get a rebound. And one. Corey Newman. Cut him off. Come on. That's it. Body him. We want the ball. Our damn ball back. Give us our ball back. Pull it again, baby. All right. It's all right. Come on. Come on. You open, shoot it. You open, shoot it. Let's go. You open, shoot it.
Corey, stay on him. Stay on him, Corey.
Come on. No, sir. No, sir. That's a carry. You can have that. You can have that.
Yeah, if he hit that, I'm quick.
Oh. Yeah. Come on. Lord have mercy.
Went off his body.
I like the aggression. We playing aggressive. I like it.
Should have called over the back.
Thank you. Thank you. I like it. I like it. Yeah. Come on. Give me my ball back. Give me my ball back. Let's go. Oh, he, yeah. Hey, they playing that way. Knock his ass down. Knock him down. That's how they playing. You better not touch mine. Oh, goaltending! Goaltending! Jump ball. Give me my ball back. It's black ball. Yeah, it was.
It was on the way down, baby.
Yeah, it was coming down.
Jump like the gym. It was on the way
It was
down.
coming down because it wasn't even that high of a trajectory.
That's the best athlete out there. He's like Jordan.
Get free! Get free!
Now guys have to shake loose.
Yeah, get free!
Hey, watch your hand taking the field. Why can't you push my man out of bounds?
Yeah, he better not put his hands on mine. That's all I got to say. He better keep his hands off mine. Oh! Yeah, he was shooting. Yeah, he won it. We trying to win the first game. Tired of losing the first game of these contests. At the line shooting two, Corey Newman. There you go, Corey. We're up 10, 39-29. 4:40 left to go in the third period. Cut him off! Cut it off! Cut it off! On his hip. He's carrying it on his hip. Good rebound, Jalen! Jalen Hinton! Okay, well, he needs to keep his face out of the play then. And he won't get hit. Get him off the court. It's time to go. Keep it moving. Ball in.
Hey, get back, guys. Get back, guys.
Cover your man. Cover your man. Let's go. Cover your man. How many steps? How many steps? Good rebound. Let's go. Pull it out. Pull it out. Get a good shot. Get a good shot. Get your hands off him. Get your hands off him. John Gibbs with the putback. Come on. Turn around. Turn around. How many? It's a foul on somebody. It's got to be a foul on somebody.
Keep shooting them.
Edward! Let's go! Cameron McCravy. Give my point.
You like LeBron out there. I love it. I love this guy. I love this guy. I love this guy, man. I wish I had a coach like that.
Come on, finish it. Come on, defense. Come on, defense. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, but he's getting ready to make a move, so he had to do something.
Make him go nuts. He ain't going nowhere.
Watch the back. Watch behind you. Watch behind you.
Pull that three. Pull that. You didn't call the push off. Put your hands on him. No. Put your hands on him.
Don't breathe on him.
Call the push off?
Don't breathe on him. They pushing all day. They pushing all day.
Get that out of here.
Go, go, go. All the way, Jalen.
Good call. That's good call. Ooh. Man, he took about 7 steps. He took at least 7.
Go all the way, Jalen. Come on, Jalen Martin. Timeout on the floor. We're up 48-29, 2:55 left to go, third period. Keep it.